Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will delve into the incredible benefits of castor oil for promoting hair growth and how to use it effectively to achieve lush and healthy hair. Castor oil is a natural elixir that has been used for generations to enhance hair growth and hair health. Let's uncover why this ancient remedy works wonders for your locks. Castor oil offers several hair-boosting benefits. It's rich in essential nutrients and fatty acids, which nourish hair follicles. The oil promotes blood circulation in the scalp, encouraging hair growth. Its moisturizing properties combat dryness, frizz, and split ends. Castor oil is known to prevent hair breakage and promote thicker, shinier hair. Now, let's learn how to effectively use castor oil for hair growth. Choose a high-quality, organic castor oil for best results. Gently massage castor oil into your scalp using your fingertips. The massaging action improves blood circulation and ensures even distribution. If you desire hair length and volume, apply castor oil along the length of your hair, concentrating on the tips. Leave the oil in for at least 30 minutes, or for more significant benefits, overnight. After the recommended time, shampoo and condition your hair as usual to remove the oil. For best results, use this treatment once or twice a week as part of your regular hair care routine. In conclusion, castor oil is a natural and effective way to promote hair growth and maintain hair health. With consistent and proper use, you can unlock the secret to lush and beautiful locks. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural beauty tips and hair care advice. Stay tuned for our next video.